In this video, we are going to discuss a previous GATE problem given in GATE 2000. So, we can observe the problem here. So, this is D of S is equivalent to 0.5 S plus 1 by 0.05 S plus 1 maximum phase lead of the compensator is. The given transfer function maximum phase lead of the compensator they are asking. First of all, to calculate maximum phase lead or phase lag, we are having a formula. So, for maximum phase lead, the formula is maximum phase lead is equivalent to sine inverse A minus 1 by A plus 1, where A we will find out by comparing this transfer function with standard transfer function of the compensator. So, how we will find out this A means? So, I am just comparing this transfer function 0.5 S plus 1 by 0.05 S plus 1 is equivalent to 1 plus AT divided by ATS divided by 1 plus TS. This is the standard transfer function of the compensator. I am just comparing these two. By comparing these two, I am getting AT is equivalent to 0.5 and T is equivalent to 0.05. So, here if you know T value, you can easily find out A value as 10. That is 0.5 divided by T means 0.05. So, you will get A is equivalent to 10. Now, I am substituting same 10 here. Sine inverse A minus 1 means 10 minus 1 means 9 divided by 11. So, this will nearly gives 55 degrees. This is equivalent to 55 degrees. Now, coming to angle, they given in terms of angles, degrees and radians. So, how much we need to consider means, so that is equivalent to how many radians means, that is equivalent to 1 by T root A. How many radians? What is the frequency? They given phase angle and frequency, angular frequency. Omega is equivalent to 1 by T root A is the formula to calculate that frequency, where we will get this maximum phase. So, this is equivalent to 1 by 0.05 into root 10. So, this will nearly gives you 6.32 radians per second. So, you can see the combination. So, where you will get maximum lead means at 55 degrees 6.32 radians per second, you are going to get maximum phase lead for the compensator which is having transfer function like this. For a compensator with a given transfer function where we will get maximum lead means at 55 degrees 6.32 radians per second we will get. So, here coming to the options, calculating is very simple. Why? Because if you know the formulas, calculation is very simple. Coming to the options, here also you need to judge twice. So, here we are having 55 degrees, but here 12 radians per second. This is the problem with this option. No one option is suitable. Why? Because at degrees itself it is wrong. Coming to this option, 55 degrees is right, but radians is wrong. That means frequency is wrong. Whenever you are having one option as none, don't go for like this type of options, because yes, it is 55 degrees but not 12 radians per second. If you are having any another option 53 degrees and so radians, then you can go for the nearest option. Otherwise, when all the options are filled and your option is not there, then only go for the nearest option. Whenever you can see none as one of the options, even though some nearest options are there, don't go for that, directly take none. None of the answers are suitable for the solution. So, none is the right option for this problem. This is given in GATE 2000 for 2 marks.